enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby,
Hey guys, I want to welcome you to my channel. Today I'm going to be changing out the rug and doing a deep clean in our living room. I have been missing in action and I am sorry for that. So I just want to thank you for watching today's video and sticking around.
Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most.
It really wasn't that dirty underneath my rugs. I just had a lot of cat toys. And he is still a kitten and still playing. You'll see him in the video. I do believe the rug was cat approved.
Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, 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 down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more, no, no. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more. We're done now, no, it's no more.
This is the new rug. It was nice, fluffy, big, everything that I was looking for, the colors, the texture. I had to rearrange just a little bit. It was just trying to get everything on the rug with the couches and making it straight.
Down, down, baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. Don't know, no, it's no more.
I did get a new stick vacuum. My other one was still working. I just regifted that to my mom's new house out on the beach, and she is still using it and loves it. I wanted to get something with a second battery, so this is what I decided on. It was on sale. I think I got it for $4.99 or $4.49. It was at Lowe's. It was a Memorial Day sale, so this is something that I've been using and love it.
It's the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh.
I always talk about my other cat, but here is the older one, and she did not budge through this whole process, y'all. She stayed right there on that little bed of hers and just was like, what are y'all doing?
In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me,
This was me just switching out the battery. I didn't run out of battery, it just recommended for me to switch it out. So that's what I was doing right here.
And you're colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful? Just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful?
I hope this gives you all the motivation you need to maybe start cleaning out something in your home. I know sometimes it's hard and it's just tough to get going, but once I do, guys, it just rolls on and on and on. I have to tell myself sometimes to just stop. So hopefully this gives you the motivation.
Don't let them sell you all of their dirt. It all will come back once the tables turn. Bolder, go bolder. Now set your sails on high. And you're stronger, much stronger.
I don't know if people like to see this, but that was the dirt in my house. So I got quite a bit up today with the LG, the new stick vacuum. I really appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks, bye.
No matter what the scars, no matter what they say, and we'll shout it out louder, prouder. Ain't no one gonna hold us down, 'cause you know that we're beautiful, just the way we are. We're beautiful. So don't go changing. You're perfect as you are, just the way you are.